How to stop YouTube from using your mobile data. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can stop YouTube from using your mobile data. So for that, first of all, open your iPhone settings and then find the option mobile data. Depending on your region, it will either be written mobile data or cellular. So just click on it. After that, scroll down and these are the list of all the apps that can use your mobile data or cellular data. Among the list, you'll have to find YouTube. Now let's search for YouTube. Now this is the YouTube. Now to stop YouTube from using your mobile data, all you have to do is just click on this toggle button. And now after turning off this toggle button, YouTube will no longer use your mobile data. It will only and only be run on Wi-Fi. So that was how you can stop YouTube from using your mobile data. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.